You aren't bleeding?
Oh.
Ow, ow, ow.
Dory, are you okay? Oh. Oh. That's good. Intervention!
Just a bite.
You
You have dishonored this aquarium.
Here, you jawbones, and how do I defend?
Look out! Here I come!
Tonight.
That was rubbish.
Good.
There's no way out! There's gotta be a way to escape! Cowards!
Who is it?
Dory, help me find a way out!
Sorry, you'll have to come back later. We're trying to escape.
Okay, there's no way out. There's gotta be a way out.
Look, here's something. Escape. I wonder what that means. It's funny. It's spelled just like the word escape.
Let's go.
Ah!
Run, cowards! Wait a minute. You can read?
I can read? That's right. I can read.
Well, then here, read this now.
No, damn it, boys. No, no.
Pull off the wagon!
Oh no, it's blocked.
That's some shocking business right there. Crikey, dodgy.
Pain is weakness leaving the body.
I need to get that mask.
You want that mask? Okay.
No, 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 no!
Awesome! Rocket spraying water on the flowers way over there. Hooray, Fire Truck Rocket! Look! I see smoke coming
Hey,
from far
what's
away.
going on?
Everybody
You're
That
sitting on the
means
remote.
Huh? Sorry, I thought it was a brown.
Quick, grab the mask, grab it!
Oh no.
Gas!
What? Oh! Oh no! Swim away!
What the
Nice.